If I had to start over selling digital products with no experience, this is exactly what I would do step by step. The first thing I would do would be to choose a niche to go into. A niche is a specific topic that you're going to talk about over and over and over again. Now, when it comes to a niche, it can be anything in the fitness industry, the wealth industry, the health industry, relationship advice, cooking food, like anything that you have experience, knowledge, or education in, you can take it and you can turn it into a niche that you can talk about to make money from. So no matter if you are good at cooking, if you are good at giving relationship advice, if you're good at budgeting money, doing credit repair, doing hair, no matter if you have a gift, a talent, or education, you can use it so that you're able to start generating income. So once you know what topic it is that you want to talk about, the next thing you want to do is choose the audience that you're going to talk to. So when it comes to the audience you're going to talk to, you are going to solve a specific problem to a group of people within that industry. So let's just say that you want to go into the fitness industry. If you know that you're targeting your Botox and you're trying to make a big plump butt, you can target women who want a big plump butt. If you want to target people who want to lose 20 pounds in the next 30 days, you can be the solution to their problem, because a lot of people don't know what to do or how to do it. So they will start looking to you for advice. Whichever industry you decide that you want to go and you want to start creating content around, you just want to make sure that it's not too broad, but it's tailored to a specific group, and whatever problem it is that they are having, you are the solution to that specific group. So after you decide what niche and who it is that you're going to talk to, the next thing you want to do is decide what social media platform to post on. Now, when it comes to social media, you guys, we have Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. There are so many different platforms to choose from, and if I had to start over, I would literally start over with only one social media platform. Now, I'm someone who has literally been on every social media platform, and I have operated multiple businesses since 2017 when I became a full-time entrepreneur. I can tell you guys from experience of me operating multiple businesses that YouTube is going to be the best platform for you to get started with. Now, when it comes to YouTube, a lot of people shy away from YouTube because with YouTube, you have to stay consistent, and a lot of people don't see fast traffic when it comes to posting. So because they're not seeing fast growth or seeing a lot of reactions, they tend to shy away and go to other platforms that give them a quicker response. Now, when it comes to YouTube, I will always say to start with YouTube because YouTube is evergreen. When it comes to YouTube, you're able to post long form videos as well as shorts. So if you're just starting out and you want to start your digital product business, you can start posting short videos so that you're able to get a group of audience to follow you faster. But you guys, you want to still make sure you're being consistent and that you're uploading long form videos. Here on YouTube, the reward for posting long form videos is going to pay off so much better than any platform ever. So when you start your digital product content here on YouTube, what you want to do is start by creating shorts that you can upload every single day. And on YouTube, you can upload a short once a day, but you want to include long form videos, and I would suggest to start with at least 2 to 3 long form videos every single week. Now, the reason I say to make sure that you are including long form videos is because on YouTube, once you start uploading content and you're consistent each week, YouTube will begin to push your videos to people who are looking for the kind of content that you are creating. So the difference between YouTube and Instagram, TikTok, and all of those other platforms is YouTube is evergreen. So once you decide to stick with the schedule and you begin to upload consistently, YouTube will start pushing your videos out to people who are interested in the exact topic that you're talking about. But the thing about it is, your video will never die out. As long as you're creating content that people are searching for and it's evergreen content, that means that you will always get paid from YouTube. Once you are monetized, will also be seen by the people who are searching for exactly what it is that you have. Now, when you're on Instagram and you're on TikTok, yes, you may begin to see faster views. Yes, you may begin to see people onto your page. But the thing about it is, after 24 to 48 hours, that content that you post literally dies out in the algorithm. So because of this, if you were to take those same videos that you're creating for these short form platforms and post it onto YouTube, you will begin to see traffic, and it will continue to compound over and over and over again, which would be a snowball method to help you to start selling digital products without you having to do so much work in the long run. Basically, you will be posting your content now, and then later on you will begin to see traffic where you don't have to post every single day, and you're able to upload at least like one long form video per week. That's the freedom that you want to have. So if I had to start all over, I would literally start with posting on YouTube so that I'm able to have a library full of education and valuable information around that specific niche that I want to talk to. Once you begin to post onto YouTube, what you want to do is make sure you have a call to action. A call to action is literally you telling them about your specific niche that you're talking to, but also making sure you include your digital product and how your digital product help them to solve the problem that they have. Your digital product should be included into every video that you have, because posting on YouTube is literally like marketing. You want to make sure they know exactly what it is that you're talking about, and you want to show up and you want to make sure that they know, hey, this is the lady that's teaching me about fitness. This is my go-to for credit repair. This is the person that I need to watch if I want to make sure that I'm budgeting and that I'm able to afford the luxury living on down the line. Like whatever it is that you decide you want to talk about, you want to make sure that you are giving valuable information so that when they click on your videos, they know I'm about to learn this. And because you're giving out valuable information, you will begin to see traffic onto your website. So you guys, when it comes to starting your digital product business, I will always tell you, if you want to start making sales and you want to have something to sell as soon as you start your digital product business, you want to start with a PLR digital product. A PLR digital product is a private label right product. If I had to start all over again, I would start with a PLR digital product, because once you put your first piece of content onto the internet, once you start that fresh page, you want to make sure that you have that call to action. So once you begin to see traffic onto your page, if someone is interested even further into what it is that you have to sell, they can click onto your website and they can find whatever it is that you are selling, whatever digital product it is that you're selling the solution to for their problem. they will see it on your website. The worst thing you want to do is post videos and one of your videos end up going viral and you don't have anything to say, or you don't have a way to collect their email. Like, you want to make sure that you have something in order for you to either, one, collect an email, or two, sell a digital product. And this is so important when it comes to your digital product business. As long as you guys start with this, everything else will fall into place. Now, when it comes to a PLR digital product, if you want to begin with a PLR digital product, you can literally start with my digital products. I'm giving them to you guys so that you can resell them as your own. I have created a PLR mini course that's teaching you step by step of what to do and how to get launched in exactly 24 hours. I'm giving you guys a whole vault where you're able to choose whatever digital product it is that you want to get started with, and you can rebrand it on Canva and post it onto your stand store so that you can start marketing around whatever niche it is that you want to start with. This course is literally only $37, you guys, and you can go ahead and get launched in 24 hours and scale your business to the next 10K, just as I have done in the last 4 months. So if you're interested in that, make sure you go down below and you check out comments and my description on how to get started with that. So once you have set up your YouTube channel and you have the digital product that you're going to sell, the only thing you guys have to do is make sure you are being consistent. Consistency will always win the race. So in order for you to start seeing traffic, in order for you to start seeing multiple sales, you have to make sure you are being consistent. Just like the saying goes, the turtle will always win the race. So you guys, when you get started, I don't want you to get discouraged. I don't want you to think just because you're not seeing high views that means that your business is not going to take off. If you make sure that you are following these steps that I'm giving you today, you will be successful. But you have to make sure that you are showing up consistently every single day here on YouTube. And even if you can't post a long form video, just make sure that you post a short video so that you're able to still see traction. And one thing I can tell you guys is, at the time of this recording for this video, it's the end of September, and you guys, in October is literally the month that YouTube begins to push more content out for creators. Now, this is not a theory. I know, because I started this YouTube channel last year and I started being consistent in October. So because I started being consistent, I was able to get subscribers real quick and start selling my digital products and made my first $1,000 with under 400 subscribers. So when I tell you guys this, I'm telling you from experience of what it is that I know. From October to December, you will see your content begin to get pushed out even further in the algorithm on YouTube, because the time that advertisers are paying more money in order for them to start making sales, because it's the holiday seasons. So they know that people are spending money the remainder of the year. So you want to make sure that you start uploading as soon as possible, and make sure that you stay in your niche. Like, don't try to post random things. You want to make sure that you have a solution to the problem for a specific group of people. After that, the only thing you have to do, you guys, is just consistently post and wait on it to happen. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Let me know down below if you're going to start your YouTube channel, and if you do, make sure you drop it down below, because I would love to support you guys just like you are supporting me on my journey. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you back here on my next video. Bye.